In primetime news this evening, police concede they could have acted faster in the search for 8-year-old Shanti Skyers. Concerns about the rise in the sale of counterfeit medical drugs in Jamaica. And Prime Minister Andrew Holness defends decision to use funds from the NHT to rebuild the Lathbury Barracks at Upper Camp.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Milton Walker is here to give us a preview. Milton?
Yes, Herman. NCB says it's still facing hurdles in its bid to acquire the assets of Trinidad's Guardian Holdings.
And from Milton, we go to Jordan Fort for what's happening in sports.
Yes, Archie, well, at least one sporting association president is hoping that new funding requirements by the government doesn't marginalize minor sports. I'll tell you why in Primetime Sports Friday.
Okay, good. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what is your reaction to the opposition's claim that the public could lose confidence in the Integrity Commission if it does not produce a report into the sale of UDC lands in Ocho Rios?
You can share comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.